Before you start learning, please check the instructions in the video description. Make sure you follow the learning tips carefully, and don't forget to turn on automatic subtitles and translate them into your language if needed. This will help you get the best results from the lesson.
Grind. The daily grind requires an agile mindset. Grind. The daily grind requires an agile mindset. Agile. An agile approach forces teams to iterate quickly. Agile. An agile approach forces teams to iterate quickly. To iterate. To iterate under pressure, you can't help but feel stressed. To iterate. To iterate under pressure, you can't help but feel stressed. Can't help but. You can't help but try to restrain frustration in such situations. Can't help but. You can't help but try to restrain frustration in such situations. To restrain. To restrain his reaction, the bloke stayed silent. To restrain. To restrain his reaction, the bloke stayed silent. Bloke. The bloke listened to a message on the intercom. Bloke. The bloke listened to a message on the intercom. Intercom. The intercom announcement mentioned collateral consequences. Intercom. The intercom announcement mentioned collateral consequences. Collateral. Collateral effects can create a sense of finality. Collateral. Collateral effects can create a sense of finality. Finality. That finality often discourages a try-hard attitude. Finality. That finality often discourages a try-hard attitude. Try hard. A try-hard mindset can make the grind even harder. Try hard. A try-hard mindset can make the grind even harder.